Hello friend, welcome to our instrumentation triple E tutorials, and today we will talk about difference between industrial electrical and industrial instrumentation. If you are working in oil and gas sector or any power plant where you have seen the electrical department as well instrumentation department, then you should have some question that what is the basic difference between industrial electrical and industrial instrumentation. In some places both department works together, but in some areas electrical is different department, instrumentation is different department. If you are electrical engineer, then you should know what is the part of electrical and what is the part of the instrumentation, and same is applicable for the instrumentation engineer also. If you are new on our YouTube channel, I'm just requesting please subscribe the YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever we will upload any video you will get a notification. Now let us start. So basically the first part we will talk about based on focus. So now industrial electrical work primarily deals with the generation, distribution and application of the electrical power. Means the power generated and also distributed and also application of the electrical power within the industrial facilities. Industrial facility means lightning facilities, some power delivered to the motor, and these are the things which comes under the industrial electrical. Now talk about industrial instrumentation, which is basically involve the measurement and control of various physical parameter within industrial process. So various physical parameter include flow, level, temperature and also pressure. So these are the parameters which comes under the industrial instrumentation. Now talk about responsibilities. What are the responsibilities of the industrial electrical engineer and what are the responsibilities of the industrial instrumentation engineer? Now first talk about an electrical engineer's responsibilities. Installation and maintenance of the electrical power system. Okay, first wiring and connection of electrical component and devices. The electrical component may be your circuit breaker, maybe your MOB and some motor. Design and implementation of electrical circuit and panels where all the controlling is provided, and also whenever any issues are in electrical system then they should be troubleshooted, and also during troubleshooting electrical engineer should ensure safety standards because these comes under the high voltage circuit and high current. So each and every component, if you are touching or if you are working on it, then you should ensure the safety while executing the job. Now industrial instrumentation. So in this part, installation and the maintenance of the instrument for process measurement and control. Second part is calibration and tuning of the sensor and transmitter. So what are the calibrations? Means your instrument should be calibrated based on your frequency in your plant. 6 month, 1 year, 5 year, 6 year, 7 year. Based on your schedule, you should do the calibration of all the instruments. And also sometime if you are feeling that your instrument is not properly tuned, then the tuning of the sensor and transmitter should be also conducted. Now the integration of the instrumentation with control system. So if you have a working in field, then your field signal should go to the control room, and the control room where HMI and the operating stations are installed, where the data is delivered from field to the HMI with the help of the control system. So the control system integration is also very important, which you have to maintain. And also whenever any problems comes in instrumentation system, you have to troubleshoot and do the maintenance, and during maintenance you have to ensure the optimization of the control loops so that everything will be work properly. Now the key component. So in industrial electricals, transformers, switch gear, circuit breakers comes under the electrical department, and now some wiring, cables, conduit are also comes under the electrical department. These are the power cables and wiring and conduit, and some motor control center MCC, and VFD, variable frequency drives, are also comes under the electrical system, and some electrical panels and control cabinets are also comes under the industrial electrical. Now in a industrial instrumentation, sensor, transducer which may be used for measurement of the pressure, temperature, flow, level are also comes under the industrial instrumentation. Some control valves, final control element, actuators are also part of the instrumentation. Some DCS, PLC, distributed control system, and programmable logic controller are also part of the instrumentation. Some analytic instruments, including gas analyzer, pH meter, conductivities, silica analyzer, CH4 analyzer, hydrogen analyzer, these are also comes under the instrumentation systems. Now we do the difference between the applications. So now power distribution in industrial plant comes under the electrical department, and some motor control of machinery and equipment are also comes under the electrical department. Lightning system for plant is also comes under the electrical department, and some electrical safety systems. So these are the part of the industrial electrical. Now the application of the instrumentations: monitoring and controlling of the temperature, pressure, flow in industrial process. And during a job, you have to ensure the accuracy, so that your instrument should give the proper value, and also it should be reliable, so that it can work more efficiently for a long time. So it should be reliable. And other application is integration of the control system for automated process, means there should be less interruption of the operator. All the process should run automatically. So this also job done by the industrial instrumentation engineer. And some safety instrumented system, and we can also call emergency shutdown systems, are also the part of the industrial instrumentation. So these are the difference between based on applications. We have covered basic difference between the industrial electrical and instrumentation. When we talk about the final conclusion, so simply electrical system provide the power necessary for the instrumentation device, and both work together to ensure the efficient and safe operation of the industrial process. So this is the conclusion. And generally electrical system mainly focuses on the generation and distribution of the electrical power, but and instrumentation deals with the measurement and control of the physical parameter in industrial process. Both are very important and both work together to ensure the operation of the plant. Thank you very much for watching this video, and like this video, and also comment if you have any query. And if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, and if you want to more video on any different topic, please comment. So and we will definitely make a video and upload on YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video till the end.